Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. So, doing something a little different today. We got something yummy. As you can see, we got some green mussels. So, should I pour it out in the bowl or should I leave it in the bag? Let's just pour it. So, okay. So I only got a pound because this is my first time having green mussels and I wasn't sure if I would like it or not. So I didn't want to buy 2 pounds. So depending on if I like it or not, then I'll come back on here with maybe like some more for you guys. So let me give you a quick little overview. So, got some green lip mussels. Look how them things is shining. Some corn and potato. And then I also have some cranberry juice mixed with a wild cherry sparkling water. So, do y'all like cranberry juice? I don't like cranberry juice, but I already said my grace off camera. My mouth is watering. Okay, let's try. I want to get some juice in here. That juice. Almost choked. That's what she said. Do y'all eat that part? I'll have to use another one to get it out. So before this video, So before this video, I don't know if I'm sleepy. I think I might just be sleepy because I woke up my husband woke me up actually. That is bomb. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm sleepy or so my husband did wake me up early and I had a fairly good morning. I watched Black is King. I should got an extra corn. I watched Black is King, Beyonce's project on Disney, the Disney Plus. And it was amazing. I absolutely loved it. I loved all the messages in there. It was just complete black. Excellence. Complete black excellence. And it was just beautiful. I love the costumes. I love the music. I love everything about it. To me was beautiful. I'm a huge Beyonce fan, so could be biased, but I feel like if you don't appreciate art, music, and you don't understand the messages, then I don't think you would really enjoy it. What the heck? Yeah, so I don't think you would enjoy it, but I absolutely loved it because, and there's, okay, so if you guys watch it, or if you have watched it, I hear my toddler talking, and she's gonna end up waking up her brother, and I'm gonna be mad. So, the Black is King, when they got to the part of the brown skinned girl song, I started to cry. Like, I almost started to cry, and I had to stop myself because I'm like, I don't want my husband to see me crying because he's gonna think I'm crazy because I'm crying. But I'm like, yeah, I was trying so hard not to cry, and I'm just hoping the whole time he doesn't look at me and see that my eyes are getting watery. And I was about to cry on the brown skin girl part because it was just so beautiful just to see all of that blackness radiating and her daughters, and it was a beautiful moment. It was so beautiful. That part touched me dearly. And just to see the black love, like the black couples on there, the black families on there, like everything about it was just Black is King. Like, and then I just started to feel some type of, I just loved how she put so much emphasis on black men matter. They're kings, they're royalty, they precious, like they mean something. And it's just like, I love that because our black men have been beat down, they've been told that they're nothing, they've been treated wrong. I just said on Facebook that I'm praying for black men, that they receive the breakthrough. I hope that they receive the breakthrough that they need so that they're able to see and be the king that you are. And a shame, because black men, you are beautiful, you matter, you are royalty, you are a king. Keep your head up and dead all of your old concepts and just sit with yourself and find yourself and see who you are and feel the God that you are. Like, you were created in his image for a reason. Like, and I appreciated all that beauty. I appreciated it so much, and I just hope that our black men find themselves and be the royalty that was taken from them. Because we all know how much our black men struggle, like, to be great. They really do. Like, even if they're successful, and I mean, like, great as far as, like, mentally and emotionally and spiritually great. And being able to, I just want them to do better. So then, after I got done watching that, I watched this business webinar that I had signed up for. And then after that, I started working on my wine glass collection that I thought was going to be dropping at least today or tomorrow by Sunday. But when you're starting a business, first of all, I don't like, it's so much trial and error. So much trial and error. And I had a collection that was supposed to be coming out. It was supposed to been out. But sorry y'all. That bag that this was in is in this brown paper bag, and it's starting to leak through the bottom. But are you supposed to eat this part? What was I even saying? Oh, there's so, like, I had a collection that was supposed to, these shells are so pretty. I had a collection that was supposed to come out. Can you see? It's so pretty. And then the inside. Yeah, so I had a collection that was supposed to come out, and it didn't go as planned. It didn't work out the way that I visioned it to. I hear my kids. So it didn't come out the way. So I'm like, all right, bet. It's all good. I'll just turn it into a different collection. Y'all, look at this. All that goodness. Yup. I'm like, bet I'll turn it into a different collection. So that's the collection that I'm working on now. And it's taking me a little longer than usual. I think it's going to be a great collection. And I just felt disappointed this morning because I just started to feel disappointed. And as you just know, when you have projects and they just don't go as planned, and it just starts to make you feel defeated. But I rebuke that energy. I know for a fact it's going to be trial and error, but that's why you get back up and you keep going. So I think that's why my energy was a little low before I started this video, because I just felt defeated. But it is what it is. Yeah. And then here I am making a video with you guys, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a video. But I'm like, why not? Why not? Ew. Sorry, y'all. That was nasty. But it was some slimy part on the mussel. But, so yeah. Yeah, I be feeling kind of suspect about, I don't know nothing about, seafood, but, I'm not gonna eat this one because it just doesn't look like I should eat it. But I am happy because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. We are getting there. Slowly but surely. So I appreciate it if you guys give this video a thumbs up, if you comment, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. And if you made it this far, thank you to my day ones who always show up and show out. Show up and support me. I appreciate it. It doesn't want to come out. Who show up and support. I appreciate you so much. And I know there's one person who asked me to do a spaghetti mukbang, and it's on my to-do, but I'm not in the mood for spaghetti right now. So, but I will most definitely do it. Just hold on. Hold on. I was about to ask you guys. I don't know. Cause you're beautiful. One more. One more for the team. One more for the team. One more for the team. I got my incense burning so we can have a positive atmosphere. Yeah, what are mussels? The fact that I just opened this one up is confirmation that I don't need to eat that one. After this, I'm going to go Google what I just ate, because I probably should have did that before, right? So, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you soon in my next.